Welcome back. Now you've probably added YouTube code in order to embed your YouTube video either to a WordPress site or to your main website. And when you open up any YouTube video, you'll need to go to the share button. And then when you go to the share button, you would go to the embed area. Now you are going to be asked to either put in or take out certain elements of the video. And all of those elements are going to be reflected in the actual code. So for example, if we decide to take out the suggested videos, you'll see that reflected in the code. If we decide to show the player controls, we can take that out of the video, and then we can also take out the embed options. What we're going to do now is we're going to copy this entire code. And we're going to head back to our site. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to put in a break code, and then we're going to add in the YouTube code. Now what you're going to notice is that you have information in that will tell you what's happening. So you have something that says frame border equals 0, allow autoplay, show info, and then controls. And all of that is related to what we changed inside of YouTube. Now, one of the things that you don't see is the fact that you might want this video to autoplay when someone hits your page. In order to do that, you're going to need to add to your code, and you're going to do that inside of the HTML page here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click on this element, and we're going to add in just a word that says autoplay equals 1. And what that will do in certain browsers is that will allow your video to autoplay when someone visits your site. And you'll see that here as we place it inside of this browser and we hit our page, and then you'll notice that the video begins to play. Now those videos are going to autoplay now for any browser that will allow it. Now currently, as of the recording of this video, Google Chrome disables autoplay videos. However, videos do autoplay in both Mozilla Firefox and Microsoft Edge. Now there are 6 additional elements that you can add to any YouTube embed. First, you can change the embed code to a playlist embed code. So for example, we can play a list of videos and embed that list inside of your website, again, using a very similar iframe code. Now you can embed the playlist by going to the actual playlist. And what you're going to see in the URL is you're going to see a playlist ID. You're going to copy that playlist ID. And what we're going to do after the word embed is we're going to place in a specific string of text first. We're going to paste in the words video series list, and then we're going to paste in our playlist ID. And once we've done that, we'll then save, and then we'll upload the new file to our website. What we'll have then is we'll have the entire playlist available inside of our website, and you'll notice that we have 1 of 40 videos as part of this playlist. Now, there are 5 additional ways for you to alter the code. You can alter it for privacy enhanced. We've already looked at making the video autoplay. We can embed a video at a specific time. We can add captions to the embedded video, and we can turn off embedded videos altogether. So we can add all 5 of these elements to our embed so that we would be able to have options for the video that we make as part of our site. And all of this we're going to be doing with our HTML code. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.